gonna jump with the thunders?
Yeah, she did. The mayor was raising Cain about me making videos and putting on YouTube. And the cop said, I'm not going to arrest her because if you don't like the way the town looks in her videos, maybe y'all should take better care of the town. Look at all this water. Look at all this water. Look, it's a little pond. Oops. It's a little pond. Look at the ripples. We're making waves like we a boat. Look at that. We're making waves like we a boat. Okay, Daddy, you got it. I'm gonna stay.
Okay.
I'm afraid that I'm gonna fall.
Want it up?
Oh, that's right. That's good right there.
Just in case. I mean,
Well, you know, you don't want me to suffocate, do you?
no. Come on now.
So when I make my videos, I try not to get the town. Abel's going in the store. That's how he takes care of me. He goes in the store when it's like this, so I don't slip and fall. Because that cane is not very good in water. And this is why we don't DoorDash on when the ground is like this. When there's pooled up water like that, we don't dash. Unless we get caught out in a downpour. We don't dash when the ground is like this because I slip and fall. There's been dashers making fun of me because I'm not as high level as they are on the tiers. But that's okay because I gotta do it the way I gotta do it to keep myself safe. See how it's muddy and yucky? See? See them clouds? See them clouds? Ooh, see those clouds? See them clouds?